Would you trust this PCD? In fact, it's a Maris Vector 1000, but it has more dives on the back than its name suggests. Remember we were together when the silvertip shark struck back and attacked the instructor? What an event! And you supported me when I was shooting the copulation of manta rays in the pass of Tiputa. Thanks, mate. But even if it's hard, there's always a time in life when you have to say goodbye. This was Peter's Rangiroa video blog number 2, and maybe it was the last one. I have to say goodbye to this wonderful place, but I'm looking for new adventures somewhere else on the blue planet, and I hope to see you there one day. And in the meantime, you take care of it. Remember, it's the only one we have. Happy bubbles.
Welcome to the Underwater Camp Weather Channel, directly from the tropical beaches of Rangiroa to the icy shores of Antarctica. Yes, in fact, we're not here in Antarctica, we're in the south of France, in the mild climate of the Mediterranean Sea. I think some people were telling me lies about that. You still believe in global warming? It was a very cold winter all over Europe, and it's still, and some people don't believe in global warming anymore. But I tell you, one cold winter doesn't make a big change. In the background you can see our house. Believe it or not, we have a fridge inside, and it's working. The only reason is, since yesterday there are some penguins, they queue up to get in to warm up a little bit. It's true. It's freezing, freezing, freezing cold here. Can someone please check the Gulf Stream if it's still flowing? This was Peter for Underwater Camp Weather Channel.
Our team was equipped by Maris.